Hello, my name is Rendell Nugent. I came from Canada, the province of Newfoundland, and I came here. I found Max Healthcare. My wife and I were doing some research. It took a very long time for us to get a surgery in Canada, and we decided the wait was far too long, well over a year. So we took it upon ourselves to do some research. We checked many countries throughout the world. We checked South Africa, we checked Singapore, we checked, of course, India, we checked United States, and we also checked Vietnam, Thailand, many countries, over 15 hospitals in fact, and we narrowed it down to two hospitals in India, and we chose Max Healthcare. I think the two main reasons was working with Gitanjali Gupta, who was continuously always with feedback. I realized there's a big time difference, 8 hours between here and there, and whenever we posed a question, she was prompt to get back to us, very professional. We were really happy with that. That was one of the biggest factors, as well as Dr. Walia is extremely well qualified. We did a lot of research on the equipment and the facilities here. Very impressed, much better than anything I've seen in Canada. And all in all, with the costs they weren't the lowest, they weren't the highest, they were with middle of the road. In fact, I think in terms of the extremes that we found. So we chose it based on all these factors, and basically what it boils down to for us is, after the fact now, a week later, obviously it was the right choice. When we got here, immediately we felt it's kind of like going to a 5-star hotel and being treated,
treated like a guest,
treated
not
like a guest.
patient.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's how we felt from the moment we got in here until the moment we left. And not only that, afterwards, being in touch with Gitanjali Gupta, she's an administrator here, to help us, fit in with, because we decided we needed to stay for a few weeks in case there was any tie-ins or any extra care we needed. Luckily, everything went well, and but we decided to stay, and yes, we did. And we decided to stay a little extra, so we're here for another 2 weeks, and we're just going to use that time to see India, of course. But luckily, she was there to help us find a place, and in the end, we ended up going with homestay. And speaking as a Canadian who's traveled extensively in the United States and Canada, I would definitely recommend homestay here in India. Coming from a quiet place, homestay is if that's what you want. The kind of care and personal attention, instead of a hotel. I definitely recommend that. We're very glad we went that route. Otherwise, to get what we would expect for a hotel, and the quality of care we're used to in a hotel in Canada, United States, you're looking at $250 or more for what you'd expect. So, and that's also cost effective and very nice. In fact, it's very friendly. Complimentary breakfast. So, but anyway, that was a wonderful experience. But getting back to the surgery itself and the facility here. Our room was immaculate, the staff was incredible. I have to point out one young nurse that we had, Aman. Fantastic, fabulous nurse. I've been in the nursing field 3 months. The care, it was just genuine. It wasn't just, she had a job to do. She was genuinely concerned. And that just speaks for everybody here, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. I was bringing tears to the eyes, isn't it? It was such a relief for my wife knowing that I was here, and I was under a lot of pain and stress. And for her to know that I was being well taken care of like that, people like that, it was just it was heartwarming. It really was. This is not the kind of care we expected, because we're from Canada and United States, and we lived in the U.S. for a while, and we know what kind of care to expect there. This is a level beyond that. So if you're sitting there and you're on the internet looking at this, and you're trying to make up your mind whether to come here to India and get this done, trust me, speaking as a person who did it, made the leap, took the chance, I have to say, this is really what you should do. And I recommend this to anyone worldwide, no matter where you are, come here, and I can't speak highly enough of the staff and the facilities, the work they did, and the results. I'm pain-free, less than a week. It's amazing. But I think I have an appointment with the doctor after this, and I probably will have my stitches removed, and it's fabulous. So take care. Good luck.